Have you ever interacted with a digital assistant that perfectly understood your request and provided an instant, helpful response, leaving you completely satisfied? Or perhaps you have experienced the opposite, with frustrating loops and irrelevant answers. The difference between these experiences often comes down to how effectively the chatbot's performance is measured and optimized. When evaluating chatbot performance, key metrics typically revolve around task completion, accuracy, and user satisfaction. These fundamental indicators provide a comprehensive view of how well a conversational artificial intelligence system is meeting its objectives and serving its users. Understanding these allows developers and stakeholders to pinpoint areas of strength and weakness. These metrics are vital because they directly reflected the chatbot's utility and reliability. For instance, a high task completion rate signifies the bot's effectiveness in solving user inquiries without human intervention, which is often its primary purpose. Accuracy ensures that the information provided is correct and relevant, building user trust. User satisfaction, frequently measured through a customer satisfaction score, or CSAT, captures the overall sentiment and experience, highlighting whether the interaction was pleasant and productive. Additionally, metrics like the fallback rate, which indicates how often the bot cannot handle a query and needs human assistance, and coverage, representing the percentage of unique queries the bot is designed to handle, offer deeper insights into the bot's limitations and scope. Response time also critically impacts user experience, as slow responses can lead to frustration and abandonment. To effectively use these metrics, begin by defining clear objectives for your chatbot, as this will guide which metrics are most relevant. For example, if the goal is to reduce customer service call volume, task completion rate and fallback rate will be paramount. Implement robust logging within your chatbot to capture every interaction, including user inputs, bot responses, and any escalations. Regularly analyze these logs to identify patterns, such as frequently asked questions that are not being answered correctly or points where users consistently drop out of the conversation. Tools can help automate the calculation of these metrics, providing dashboards for ongoing monitoring. Conduct regular user surveys or integrate feedback mechanisms directly into the chat interface to collect qualitative data that complements your quantitative metrics. An insightful metric for more advanced chatbot evaluation is intent recognition accuracy, which measures how well the bot correctly identifies the user's underlying goal or purpose for their query. Another is entity extraction accuracy, focusing on the bot's ability to pull out specific, critical pieces of information like dates, names, or product numbers from user input. Mastering these granular metrics is essential for developing highly sophisticated conversational artificial intelligence that can handle complex, nuanced interactions. These metrics move beyond simple success rates to evaluate the core understanding capabilities of the natural language processing model within the chatbot. Ultimately, a strong focus on these varied performance metrics allows for continuous improvement, transforming a basic chatbot into a highly efficient and user-friendly digital agent. By methodically tracking task completion, accuracy, user satisfaction, and the more granular natural language processing metrics, organizations can refine their chatbots to deliver exceptional service and maximize their return on investment. This iterative process ensures the chatbot evolves to meet user needs and business goals more effectively over time.